In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to decrease space between bullet and text in Google Docs. If your bullet points look a little too spread out, where the text sits far from the bullet, this quick tweak will make your lists cleaner and easier to read. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly where to click and what each option means. First, open a document in your Google Drive where you have a bulleted list. Any document will do. Once it's open, highlight the bulleted items you want to adjust. You can select a single bullet, a whole section, or the entire list. Selecting only what you need gives you precise control, and it ensures you don't accidentally change other parts of your document. With your bullet selected, go up to the top menu and click Format. In that menu, hover over Align and Indent, then choose Indentation options. This opens a small settings window that controls how far your text sits from the margins, and, importantly for us, how bullets align with the text that follows them. In the Indentation options window, look for the section labeled Special Indent. For bulleted lists, Google Docs uses what's called a hanging indent. That simply means the first marker, the bullet, is at one position and the lines of text that follow are aligned slightly to the right. If special indent is set to hanging, you'll see a by field next to it, and that number controls the distance between the bullet and the start of your text. To decrease the space, reduce the value in the by field. For many documents, the default is around 0.5 inches. Try lowering it to something like 0.25 inches for a tighter, more polished look. If your document uses metric units, reduce the value in centimeters accordingly. Small changes go a long way, so adjust gradually and preview how it looks before you commit to a big change. When you're happy with the number, click Apply. Instantly, your selected bullets will pull the text closer to the bullet symbol, giving your list a compact, professional appearance. If you're working with multi-line bullets, this also tightens the wrap so the second line aligns neatly under the first. A couple of quick tips as you refine the look. Make sure the spacing still feels readable, especially if your font size is small. Keep the value consistent across similar lists for a cohesive style throughout your document. And if you need the same formatting elsewhere, repeat these steps with those lists selected. That's it. You opened your document, highlighted the bullets, went to Format, Align and Indent, Indentation options, adjusted the special indent, and applied the change. Your bullet spacing is now neatly reduced.